Let's take a close look at this spinning top. First of all, can you see that it's balanced and it's standing? Now this is the plunger. I think we need the camera to come in closer. Take a look at this plunger. Can you see that it's twisted, that it's spiraled? And this is the key, because anytime that you're going to turn, you're going to have to twist like this. You have to have a spiral, just like this plunger. And this is your spine. And you're going to need to twist your spine like this, which will show in a backward movement of your shoulder and your supporting arm, as well as the opening movement of your working arm. So, taking a look at how this works. As I pull it up, it doesn't turn. And you must remember that. You can't pull yourself up to turn. You need to stretch up, you need to twist your spine, and you need to push down. Can you see that? As I push down, the top begins to turn. Again, I stretch up, I have to twist your spine, your shoulder, and you're going to push the floor with your plie and with your feet, and your plie starts to turn. Now, if I only stretch up this much and twist just a bit, then you're only going to turn a little bit. So, if you want to do more turns, then you need to have more twisting, more spiraling. You want to feel that in your spine, in your back, as well as you want to be stretched up strongly, and you want to push down with force. And that will give you more turns. So, you always want to try to remember this image when you pirouette. You're balanced, you're on your leg, standing up, and you stretch up, you're twisting your spine, you have to have a shoulder going back, and you're staying over your foot, and now you're going to push down. You're going to turn the plie, and of course, you're going to be spotting. You have to use your eyes to keep your balance. Once more, stretch up, you twist, and you push down, and you turn.